Disaster preparedness is crucial for ensuring your family's safety. Here's a comprehensive guide on creating a disaster preparedness kit. A disaster can strike at any time. Being prepared can make all the difference. Today, we'll cover how to assemble a disaster preparedness kit for your family. Start with the basics. Ensure you have at least a 3-day supply of water. That's 1 gallon per person per day. Stock non-perishable food items like canned goods, protein bars, and dry cereal. Rotate these supplies regularly to keep them fresh. A well-stocked first aid kit is essential. Include bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and any prescription medications your family needs. Consider adding items like a thermometer and tweezers. Include basic tools like a flashlight with extra batteries, a multi-tool, and a solar-powered radio. A whistle can help signal for help, and sturdy shoes will protect your feet if you need to evacuate. Don't forget personal hygiene products like soap, hand sanitizer, and sanitary wipes. Pack extra clothing and blankets for warmth. If you have infants or pets, include supplies for their specific needs. Store copies of important documents in a waterproof container. This includes identification, insurance policies, and medical records. It's also wise to have some cash on hand in case ATMs are down. An emergency kit is only part of being prepared. Develop an emergency plan. Assign tasks to each family member and practice your plan regularly. Know your local evacuation routes and have a designated meeting place. Consider your geographic location. If you live in an area prone to specific natural disasters, like hurricanes or earthquakes, customize your kit accordingly. Special items might include dust masks, plastic sheeting, and duct tape. Regularly review and update your kit. Check expiration dates and replace used or out-of-date items. Staying prepared is an ongoing process. By assembling a comprehensive disaster preparedness kit and having a solid plan, you can ensure your family's safety during emergencies. Start today and stay prepared.